Today, I'm going to teach you how to remove Dropdown in Google Sheets. This is useful when you no longer need those preset options in your cells and want to return to regular text entry. Let's walk through this process step by step. First, open your browser and navigate to workspace.google.com. Once you've typed that in, you'll need to log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you're signing into the Google account that has access to the spreadsheet you want to edit. After logging in, you'll land on your Workspace dashboard. Here, you'll see all your recent files and folders. Look through your files and simply click on the spreadsheet that contains the dropdown you want to remove. This will open the spreadsheet in a new window ready for editing. Now that you have your spreadsheet open, the next step is to identify which column contains the dropdown you want to remove. Click directly on the column letter at the top. This action will highlight the entire column, ensuring that any changes you make will apply to all the cells within it. Selecting the entire column is important because it ensures you're targeting the right dropdown rule. With your column selected, look toward the top menu bar and click on Data. This will open a drop-down menu with various options related to managing your spreadsheet's data. From this menu, click on Data Validation. This feature is what controls the drop-down lists and other input restrictions in your spreadsheet. Once you click Data Validation, a panel will appear on the right side of your screen. This panel is called Data Validation Rules, and it displays all the rules currently applied to your spreadsheet. Take a moment to scan through the list of rules shown here. You're looking for the specific rule that corresponds to the drop-down menu you want to remove. Each rule will show you which cells it applies to, making it easier to identify the correct one. When you've found the rule that contains the drop-down menu you want to delete, look for the trash can icon beside it. This icon is usually located on the right side of each rule entry. Click the trash can icon and Google Sheets will immediately remove the drop-down validation from those cells. The cells will now function as regular text cells without any preset options. And just like that, the drop-down has been removed from your selected column. Your cells are now free from validation rules and can accept any type of input you want. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.